Hey guys, it's Nicole with American Paving Design, and today I want to talk to you about something called certified installers. Oftentimes we see many advertisements for paver installers labeling themselves as certified installers. What exactly is a certified installer, and should you trust them? In our line of work, most manufacturers have a designated program that claims to teach local paver installers all about their different product lines and certifies them to install and promote their product. In the past, we've been certified by multiple manufacturers, but in not one instance did we have a class to train on product materials or installation techniques. Becoming a manufacturer's certified installer can be very subjective. You as a customer might think that this includes a ton of training and knowledge, but that's not always the case. When a company or individual signs up as a certified installer, this simply gives the installer and the manufacturer a loyalty pack. The manufacturer wants a loyal customer promoting their product, and the installer wants a good unit price from the manufacturer and consistent leads. As the homeowner, you might think that this is a benefit for you, but sometimes you may not be sold a product that is the best fit for your project. In some cases, you could be sold a product by a certified installer to make sure that they maintain the loyalty to the manufacturer. Our loyalty is to you, the clients. Our company gives you the best product for your hardscape project. We make it a priority to offer a multitude of paver colors and styles and sizes from all manufacturers. From there, you can make the most informed decision for your hardscape project, no strings attached.